My professor forged a business trip result report, collected student labor wages, and used them for lab expenses. I don't know what to do, and it is hard to keep an eye on these things.
Violating the purpose and standards of use of the R&D funds is strictly prohibited according to the National R&D Innovation Act. The Enforcement Decree of the National R&D Innovation Act more clearly specifies this issue. The Enforcement Decree classifies the harmful use of research funds, such as false and fabricated proof or false reports of the use of research funds, as misconduct. Allegations of research expense misuse can be reported through the NRF Korea website, Customer Space, Report and Reception, Corruption section. Anyone who is aware of fraud or corruption by research institutions or researchers related to an R&D project supported by the NRF Korea should report it. When reporting allegations of research funding misuse and/or fraud, the contents of the report should be written clearly and specifically based on the principle of the 5 W's and 1 H. It may be difficult to handle an allegation or disclosure that does not provide specific evidence of research expense misuse or fraud. The purpose of reporting is to identify when researchers who conduct R&D projects supported by the Korea Research Foundation misuse research expenses or commit research funding fraud. The whistleblower can be protected in accordance with the stipulations in the operational guidelines on the handling corrupt reports and protection of reporters provided as stated in the regulation of NRF Korea. The law strictly prohibits the illegal use of research expenses in national R&D projects to guide researchers to use research expenses properly. We hope that there will be no reports of misuse or fraud related to research expenses. Proper R&D spending is the first step toward maintaining a responsible research environment.